Well, this week is National Health Center Week, and Cherry Health is marking the occasion by offering free health screenings and connecting people with a wide range of resources. Joining us live now to talk about this event is Bill Jor, the Chief Operating Officer for Cherry Health. Bill, thanks so much for joining us tonight.
You're welcome.
So first, tell us about tomorrow's health fair. Tell us what people can expect when they walk through those doors.
So just a little context, we're celebrating National Health Center Week that happens every year in August, sponsored by the National Association of Community Health Centers. So the idea behind it is to celebrate the 1,500 or so community health centers throughout the country that offer primary medical care, dental, behavioral health services, and other services to folks around the country. Last year, we served almost 33 million people, which was a record. So as part of the celebration, tomorrow Cherry Health is holding a health fair at our Heart of the City Health Center at 100 Cherry Street from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. That's going to happen rain or shine. So hopefully Blake can pull some strings for us and get us some shine rather than some rain. So the event will take place in our building. We'll have free vision and blood pressure screenings, as well as a lot of information about the health services that we offer. We'll also have some of our folks on site who work in health insurance assistance to answer questions and help people understand the upcoming changes to Medicaid. We'll also have some fun prizes, giveaways, and Kona frozen ice. So definitely will be a good time. And again, it's 1 to 3 tomorrow.
Sounds like a good time for sure. And you know, Cherry Health serves people regardless of their insurance status or ability to pay. Just talk about why that's so important, especially right now.
Yeah, absolutely. And that is the charge of all federally qualified health centers throughout the United States. We offer essential services to folks who might not otherwise have access to things like primary medical care, dental care, women's health, behavioral health services, vision screening. We also have a pharmacy program that benefits folks who access care through us. And with the upcoming changes to Medicaid, there will be folks that either lose their coverage or have to work a little bit harder to keep it. And part of our charge is to help people understand the changes and to make sure that no matter what happens, we're here to provide care for them.
Mm-hmm. And as someone, hasn't been to the doctor in a while or doesn't have a primary care provider, is this a good opportunity to get connected?
Absolutely. Anytime is a good time to get connected, but definitely tomorrow we'll have folks on site answering questions, hopefully easing people's fears about coming back to the doctor. There's no reason to wait to come and see a doctor or a dentist. And we're accepting new patients, and we're certainly glad to see folks tomorrow or anytime in the near future.
All right, Bill, before you go, just remind everyone all the details for tomorrow.
1 p.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow at Heart of the City Health Center, Cherry Health, 100 Cherry Street. We're at the corner of Cherry and Sheldon. So please make sure you come out. Again, free blood pressure and vision screenings and lots of information about the healthcare that's available to you. We hope to see you there tomorrow.
Bill Jor with Cherry Health, thank you so much for joining us tonight. We appreciate it, and I'll talk to Blake about the weather, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
We appreciate it.
We'll be right back.